Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous session, I have told you how you can install QPython 3GL app in your Android. Today, I am telling you how you can display a value on the screen with the help of simple command, that is print command, in the QPython app. Firstly, click on the app icon. This type of screen it will appear in front of you. Now click on console. Then you will get this type of interface on your mobile phone. Here you have to first type print, then you have to type parentheses like this, then whichever the message you want to print. This should be typed after inserting this single quote as I have typed here. After that, you have to type the message which you want to print. Like I am typing here hello world, like this. After that, just close the single quote, close the bracket also. After this, you have to press enter key. As you can see on the screen, when you will press enter key, it will display the text hello world on the screen in the next line. So when you want to display a value on the screen, usually an output of a program, then you have to use the print command in Python. Now I am telling you how you can uh, calculate total of three numbers with the help of by using print command. For this, first type here print, after that bracket start, the numbers which you want to add, you have to tell the numbers which you want to add, and you have to use plus operator for the addition. Then bracket close. After typing this expression, press enter key. As you can see on the screen, this result it has been displayed 12. So in this way you can do calculations also by using print command in Python. Next, I am telling you how you can subtract the values. Suppose you want to subtract the two numbers. Then first type print, then bracket start, the number which you want to subtract, write those numbers, bracket close. After that, press enter key. As you will press enter key, the output of this subtraction it will appear on the next line. So in this way you can subtract two numbers. Now I am telling you about the another command. By using this command you can tell the data type of a number, and it can be obtained by using the type function. So just see carefully here how it is to be done. Like if you want to tell the data type of any number, how it is to be obtained. First, you have to type here type function. After typing type function, in the next step, bracket start, type the number for which you want to obtain the data type. As I have typed here 24, then bracket close. After typing this, you have to press enter key. As you can see on the screen, Python has displayed here that the data type of this number 24 as integer. INT, it stands for integer. Same way, if you want to find the another data type, then again use type function. Here type the data for which you want to find the data type, then bracket close. Now press enter key. As you can see on the screen, class of this data, it has been shown here str. Str, it stands for string, and you know that hello, it is a string value, so that's why its class has been displayed here str, which stands for string. So in this way, by using the type function, you can obtain the data type of any number or any data value you can find. So I hope you have learned all these commands properly. You should also try it yourself. For today only this much. Thank you so much.